Hi everyone, I am Shamima Agis. Welcome to BioHub. Today's topic is respiration. Let's get started. Firstly, do you know your body keeps active every moment? It's respiration. Respiration is an emerging process where our cells use oxygen to break down food and create energy. Secondly, we breathe in oxygen. Our every cell uses, then cells release energy for movement, growth and life. Finally, carbon dioxide produces waste gas and leaves the body when we breathe out. No respiration, no energy, no life. Follow BioHub for more easy biology. As always, thanks for watching. Happy studies. Assalamu alaikum.